I'm going to show you how I styled this wig for my client. She had issues with the closure area becoming bald, and this is something that happens frequently. Sometimes you notice that the closure area in front becomes bald, so you need to be able to reventilate that area. All you need to do is cut out some hairs from the back of the hair and use your ventilating needle. You can buy ventilating needles from Amazon, from Alibaba, from AliExpress, and that's all you need. And you need to also learn how to ventilate the hair. The method I'm using to ventilate this closure area right now is a double knot method, because the double knot method is more secure, and I'm taking it one strand at a time. So I'm doing double knotted method with one strand. So after I'm done with ventilating and filling up the entire closure area, what I'm going to do next is start the process of styling the wig. So first things first, I'm going to start to add layers to the front of the wig, and I'm using my razor blade to cut it down from the up part downwards. I'm only adding layers to the front part of the wig just to make it have a bit of frame. I want this to be able to frame her face when she wears it. That's the reason why I'm just adding layers to the front parts before I start styling the hair. You can see I'm going in a downward motion just to add the layers, and the layers I'm adding are sort of short layers. They're not like high layers that sort of layer your face area. This one, the layer starts to frame like the lower part of your face. So next, what I'm going to do is start cutting the hair in small sections. I'm going to section off the up part of the hair and clip it on top and start applying the product that I use in styling the hair. So first things first, I'm going to reach out for my hairbrush and brush through the small section of the hair that I have separated now. And after I've brushed through the hair to ensure it's completely detangled, I'm going to apply my Moroccan argan oil. I'm going to put a small quantity on the back of my palm, massage it in and apply directly to the hair. And after I'm done applying the Moroccan argan oil serum to the hair extension, I'm going to proceed to just brush it a little bit and spray. Rather, I'm going to apply that styling mousse. It's sort of going to help me have a stronger hold when I'm coiling the hair. And after I've applied that styling mousse to the hair, I'm also going to spray my heat protectant spray to the hair before I start coiling the hair in small sections. So this is the heat protectant spray I'm using. I have a video on my channel titled the best heat protectant spray for your hair extension, so you can check out my playlist for hair tutorials to see all the products that I recommend, from shampoos to conditioner to hair serum to styling mousse. I have a list of products I've recommended there, so if you want more products to use, just check out my playlist. I've answered most of your questions in my videos. If there are questions relating to hair styling videos, and if it's questions related to hair extension, how to start your hair business, I have books on it, I have videos on it. So it's all your choice. It's all your choice, because I've literally answered most of your questions in my book and in my videos. Right now I'm coiling the hair. As you can see, this down part that I already applied all the products that I'm using to style the hair is the area I'm coiling right now. So I take a small section and I start to wrap the hair around the coiling wand. The name of the brand of the coiling wand I'm using is Barbara Sonic. Barbara. Somebody asked me, but I responded to her in the comment section. Pronouncing it's not easy, but you can use any coiling wand you have available. So long as it gets really hot, it can do the job for you. So what I'm doing right now is coiling the hair, and you need to ensure that you have hair clips to help you hold your curls after you've coiled your hair, so that the curls can last long. You don't want a situation whereby you coil the hair and you just leave it to drop, because if it drops, the curls will not last long enough. So wrap the hair around after you've parted a small section of the hair. Let the hair stay on the coiling wand for at least 40 seconds before you take it off and clip it away. And sometimes I usually take a strand from the ones I'm not coiling and sort of help me hold the ends of the hair that tends to want to roll out of the coiling wand. So that sort of helps me not use my fingers to hold it, to prevent my fingers from getting burnt. So keep on watching me while I curl the hair, and it's a self-explanatory process. Just watch and see. I apply the products that I use, which is the argan oil serum. I brush through the hair, I put my styling mousse, I put my heat protectant spray, and I coil the hair. Watch me do it, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. You can see right now that I've completed the coiling process of the entire hair on this wig. So what I'm going to do right now is start taking off the pins that I used to hold the hair up, and I left the pin on the hair for about, let's say, an hour so that the curls completely cool off. Now I'm just taking my time to take off the pins from the entire hair, and while I'm taking off the pin from the hair, I'm coiling the hair back in the direction I want it to go, which is backward. I'm going to use my fingers and just take the hair backward, the direction I want it to go. Even this one in front here that is moving forward, I'm going to use my fingers and roll it to go backward. You see how I'm doing? I'm rolling it backward. So I'm going to do that for the entire hair. I'm going to take it backward on the left side, and on the right side I'm also going to take it backward to face the left side. So on the left you face it backward to face the right side, and on the right side face it backward to face the left side. So it's just sort of embrace each other. Yes. See how beautiful this hair looks. I'm just using my fingers to sort of run through the hair, and right now I'm trying to flatten the hair on the closure area. I sprayed my heat protectant spray, I put my hair wax, and I'm just using that comb to comb through the hair while I use the hot coiling one to flatten the hair on the closure area, smooth it out, and ensure that even while I'm combing through the curls towards the back side, I don't lose the curls. You're gonna see what I'm going to do, how I'm going to blend the hair on the back side, like the back side with the one on the closure area on the front side. Yeah, so what I'm doing, I'm just using my comb to comb through the hair and still flip the curls to go in the direction I want it to go. You can see that other one that is still scattered. I'm also going to use my comb to just sort of or use my fingers to just coil the hair inside. That's the coil the hair inside so that it just goes in a beautiful direction, the way I'd want it to go. Yes. You know, the thing about styling hair is you just need to make sure that the finished product comes out looking really, really nice. Please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friend who's going to get value from it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Yes, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, start that business today. Try that new thing, even if it scares you. Like me styling hair, doing hair, it takes courage for me to do hair, because really you're always going to be afraid that, are you sure you're going to get it right? Are you sure it's going to come out how you want it to? But just do it regardless. Thanks for watching. Bye.